We've just acquired this Ford Focus ST-2 turbo. Absolutely fantastic condition. I think the colour's Melina blue. Lovely, absolutely gleaming. It's been well looked after. Boot space, all good. No real marks around the bumpers. Nice grey alloy wheels complementing it. Kick plates that light up. Half leather Recaro seats. ST embossed. It's 102,535 miles. It's got the climate control, 6-speed gearbox, multifunction steering wheel. It drives very quickly. It's got a dump valve fitted and a performance upgraded air filter. If you're requiring further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.